Hi guys, welcome to the OTOP series, and it stands for One Target, One Purpose. On every Monday morning, 9 a.m. Singapore time, of course, or maybe Hong Kong time, Beijing time, we are going to share with you one very potential market instrument that is going to carry a lot of positive price movement for the week. Alright, and this price counter, it could be a stock, it could be an ETF, it could be a forex, or it could be just anything that comes from any exchanges around the world. So Monday morning, regardless what you're doing at 9 a.m. Singapore time, remember to log on and watch us. Continue to share this video, subscribe to us. Alright, share, and hopefully we are all on the highway to happiness and wealth. OTOP is right here waiting for you, and I will be right back. Hi there, welcome back to OTOP 84, and this is the One Target, One Purpose on Monday morning, 9 a.m. Singapore time, Hong Kong time, or China, Beijing time. Alright, and this is the DW World Equity time for the OTOP series. Watch us for the next 10 minutes, and before we start on this week, please like us and share this video out. Alright, forward to your loved ones and your friends for sharing a good message. So in this OTOP 84, and which is for the day and for the date 14th March year 2022, is going to have some special message for you to look into the China stock. Alright, first of all, let us take a look at what we covered on last week. Alright, and also what did the market did on Friday closing. Currently at this moment, the Russia-Ukraine crisis still goes on, and there's a war in Ukraine, and the crude oil prices has gone up to like a 13-year high to $130 in the WTI crude on last Friday, and market slides back to $105 per barrel. So this week, most likely, we're going to look at the crude oil prices fluctuating back up to $120. And the stock market prices have been coming down for the last few weeks, and most likely we are looking at a small recovery for this 1 or 2 weeks. So on Friday, the Dow Jones closed at a price of 32,944, almost 33,000, and that was down 229 points, making the 5th consecutive straight week of falling down. And S&P prices was down 55 points, while Nasdaq lost 286 points. So, well, this week we are not going to look at Hong Kong stocks or US stocks anymore. We're going to step over to China and take a look at what's going to happen, okay, when the funds start to fly into the China market. Alright, before that, last week we were talking and recommending on the stocks that we're going to give a revision. Alright, and that was metal mining stock last week. Alright, metal mining stock. In fact, I don't really remember what is that, but I think the stock prices last week, oh yes, we were talking about this 0358 Jiangxi Copper. Alright, yes, the market actually fell a little bit, but hold on to it, because we still think that crude oil and precious metals will be bullish in coming weeks. So, you know, depends if you are entering anywhere in the region of $14 Hong Kong dollars, and now it's only about 13.10. Alright, there's a $1 Hong Kong dollar losses, but hang on to it. As you can see, it's near to the bottom, unless if it falls beneath $12 and you may want to cut loss. Otherwise, it's a whole signal that the prices for this counter will continue to recover. Alright, this week we want to take a look at the China A50. Alright, China A50, and this is it. Well, if you look at the China A50, there's a futures index trading in the Singapore Exchange. But if you look at this chart itself, well, momentum is right at the bottom, turning up, and with this sign we are a little bit confident and rather sure that there could be a recovery for this week. Alright, after the market broke down below 14,500 here, there was a strong support. But last week it went out to 13,000, alright, around here, as you can see. In fact, there are a lot of strong supports here in the region of 13,000 to 14,500. So this could be a target range this week. All right. So 13,000 to 14,500, which could be going sideways. And if we take a look at the 4-hour chart, A50, all right, has got a very beautiful sign of a temporary recovery. All right, it may not be a long term. We don't want to go that long, but I think on the momentum pattern here and the conversions of the EMA 4 and 20, all right, A50, which is China stock index, is likely to make a recovery this week, and perhaps it could even go up to 14,500. So in the A50, there are 50 strong components, okay, or stock components, but today we're going to look at what are the few heaviest weighted stocks in this index for us to make a choice. All right, when we look at A50 here on the components in the Wikipedia, definitely we are not looking at the bank stocks this week. Definitely we are trying to choose, if we can, all right, we're trying to choose either oil stock, a mining stock, or maybe a major F&B or food supplier. All right, while we actually screen down, okay, screen down, most of it less than 1%, with China Merchant Bank 7.56. But as I mentioned, we are not going to look at bank stocks. Well, while we scroll down here, we found one interesting counter, which is the largest state-owned Guizhou Maotai, which is the Chinese white wine. Okay, and the weighting is 11.78. The bigger distiller and the wine manufacturer. So this is exactly this week what we are going to look at. All right, on the Guizhou Maotai. And going to the chart here, okay, Guizhou Maotai. Let me scroll down and find it for all of you. All right, and this is the number 600,519, listed in Shanghai Stock Exchange. All right, remember 600519. And if you look at the chart here, all right, in fact, it has been hovering in the support of in the region of 1,750 RMB. All right, this is strong support for quite many days, and most likely we foresee a big potential of turning up this week. And this is a day chart. Looking at the hourly chart it's a 4-hour chart, momentum going up. So, well, this is a nice pattern that we are looking at anywhere this week, okay, on the bottom side of 1720, or maybe perhaps 1700, and the top side turning up. All right, it could go back up to 1900, okay, potentially. So you have a profit room on the top side, okay. And one thing not to forget to say that Guizhou Maotai, this China stock 600,519, is the largest cap, okay, biggest market capitalized stock counter in Shanghai market. All right, so this is for OTOP 84 this week, and that's for the date 14 March year 2022. Take a look closely and watch Guizhou Maotai this week. All right, and OTOP will be ready for you next week in OTOP 85. So thank you for watching us. I'll be back next week.